and ready to go to Iceland. Waiting for the cab to get me to Gatwick.
Yeah, about to check in. Flight to Reykjavik. No gate announcement.
What's going on with Wi-Fi on a plane?
That's my tackle box. Again, halfway to Olafsvik. In the background you can see the bus that we're traveling with.
Yeah, hi, welcome to Olafsvik. I'm here in the hotel, the North Star Hotel. This is my room. That's the bathroom.
Take a look where I am. Olafsvik.
Yeah, I'm trying, mate, I'm trying. I can't catch these big fish if I've got a small one on, mate. Yeah, I've only got these ones on. Not complaining.
Someone has to take them.
Huh?
Someone has to take
Yeah. Why not in it 50 of those? To catch up with the one. Good fishing, hey? Thanks, Helgi. Yeah. Hey! That's only one this time.
complete. Skipper reckons we've got about 500 kilo of cod and 200 kilo of coalfish today between the four of us. Brilliant day. I'm looking forward to the comp now the next couple of days.
I'll give you 20 for that. Hey guys, yeah. Day one of the championship. I'm on board 6 charges. Early days today.
Yeah, fishing from Stella today. Sorry for the background sound, but it was a cracking second day of the competition. Broke my personal best cod twice today. Didn't film anything because I was busy fishing. That's the end of the competition. We've got the prize giving coming up in the building behind me. It's been an exhausting 2 days competition fishing plus a day practice. Some big fish caught. Even though I managed to catch a personal best cod. It was a meter and 24 centimeters long. I hope they weighed it. I'm keen to know how heavy it was. So let's see all the anglers enjoying themselves later on. Very sunny now in Olafsvik. Time to say goodbye. Coach will pick us up in a little while to get us to Keflavik in time for the flight back into Gatwick tomorrow morning. Confin Hotel in Keflavik. I'm here for the night before heading back to UK tomorrow. This is my room. Not much of a view outside. The airport is over there. If you like what you saw, please hit like and subscribe. If you want to know about EFSA, visit efsafishing.org.